We got some unboxings, we got some unboxings, woo-lee-doo-lee-doo-doo-doo. Hey friends, I don't really edit too much, so you get to see all these. Which is funny because literally 2017 Rhonda would never have put the real Rhonda on here. So anyways, hi friends, this is Hotmess Momma MD. That's the name of my channel. MD stands for Makeup Diva. Anyways, I'm a Gemini with ADHD that takes 15 left-hand turns. And I do feel the need to remind you all, wow, I'm singing. My husband yesterday, and then again this morning, he's like, you're singing, because I walk down the stairs and I'm singing like Elf, and it is the mother trucking season. So anyways, I don't know where I was going with that. Anyways, hi, welcome to the channel. We are unboxing our Rose Board Panty Power subscription, RWPP if you will, and our Ipsy, I'm assuming Glambag and Glambag Plus. This was sent over in PR, so was the RWPP box, and they're always fun to unbox. So I'll have all information down in my description box down below. But before we jump into this judgment-free, drama-free, stress-free zone where we keep it cute or put it on mute, shout out and thank you to my YouTube members. I'm not gonna wait to the end of the video to thank you guys. You all deserve, what did they call it? 3 snaps and a clap. That's what I'm gonna call it. But thank you to my YouTube members. You don't have to help support this channel. Thank you to all of my YouTube members. If you are interested in signing up to be part of the YouTube membership program, just check my description box down below. All the information is down below for you all. Please hold, Haley is texting me. Thank you. Okie dokie. So let's go ahead. Let's just jump into the Rose Board Panty Power box first. Now this is a box that even if you don't get your period anymore, it's not a big deal. If you are premenopausal, you have PCOS, you are in menopause, you are trans, whatever it may be, this box can be curated for your needs. All right, so a little information about the Rose Board Panty Power box. This is a monthly subscription, and like I was telling you all, it can be curated whatever your specific needs are, and $37.50 with free priority shipping. And you are going to receive 2 brand new pairs of panties, thank God, because who would want some dirty ones, 3 to 5 lifestyle beauty gifts, some snacks, and down there wipes. I call them the business wipes. So let me go ahead and show you all right quick what is in this box. I personally love it, and the nice thing about their products is they are natural, they are organic, and it's not the shady organic that you've been seeing over on TikTok. Nope, it's the good stuff. All right, so the box looks like this, super cute, and it is stuffed full of goodies. So we've got the Welcome to November box full of happiness. You do get a little card in here as well, and then it is always wrapped up really cutesy. So first in here, warning, I'm not gonna say it because I feel like YouTube will tag it. So it says all this, so I'm not for sure like why, but okay. So weird, but it's a little zipper bag, little like not a clutch, but like a wristlet. There you go, girl. Next in here, these are absolutely my favorite. I actually pick up the large box of them at Costco or Sam's now. I don't mind the blue pack or the red pack. My youngest only likes the blue, so that's fun. So you got sweet and fruity, and you got a little salty snack in here too. Next in here, we've got our organic period products. Always super nice to have on hand, and it is like a little variety of both, by the way. And then we have our little business wipes. Then we've got some products in here. Oh my gosh, how cute is this? I'm not for sure if I'm saying it right, but AMNH. Okay, so it looks almost like that Truly Beauty. And this particular item has a $16.50 value, and it's the Mermaid Whipped Soap. This actually has a $15 value just as a multi-purpose period pouch. So, oh, okay. I was a little thrown off by everything that it says on here, but I guess if you have dirty pads or something, you can put that in there. I don't know. So anyways, I gotta smell this. Oh, that smells so good. So it looks like this is soap in a jar. Wet your skin, scoop out your desired amount, and put it on your skin or a loofah. I'm excited about that. It smells so flipping good. It's so pretty. Why am I rubbing soap on myself? I don't really know. And then next in here we have the Cardi B Brew. I thought, for some reason I thought it was Cardi B Brew. And this actually, let's see if this has a retail value of $20. Coconut or coffee and coconut rum body scrub. I gotta smell that. Well, that smells good. All right, and then next in here we've got a jade roller, which personally I like these. If you use a lot of sheet masks, these are always nice that once you got the sheet mask on, or even like the little under eye pads, roll that in and push everything in. This is as a $17 retail value. And then last in here we've got our panties, and you can choose what kind of panties you want. You also let them know your size and everything, but if you prefer the little schmexy style, whoop bambity boom, there you go for you. Ooh, okay, I've gotten these in a different color. I think it was gray. These are really comfortable. I am a fabric person, big time. I like soft, feely good, silky things. You know, things that make me feel like I'm not wearing anything. That's my jam. So that is everything in the Rose Ward Panty Power box. Thank you so much for sending this over my way. I always love this subscription because of the fact that it's geared towards, you know, your period, and it's not always the funnest time of the month. So anywho, that was a little different, but my favorite was definitely this product right here. So if you're interested in picking up the Rose Ward Panty Power box, make sure to check my description boxes down below. And then let's go ahead and jump into our Ipsy PR box as well. And same thing, if you are interested in picking up Ipsy or signing up for Ipsy, I have my personal referral link down below. It doesn't earn me a commission. It does earn me, I think, Ipsy rewards to use. Let's see. Now when it comes to the PR, it is kind of chucked in here. So the way I like to explain it to you all is you're gonna get to make a choice, and I did make my choice. I think I chose the pistache boyfriend lotion, I think, for my glam bag, and I was able to get in my account and make my choice. So that of course always makes me really happy, but never assume this is going to be a variation, because of the way that they put the products in for PR. I never feel like it's an actual variation. So just take it with a grain of salt. Take it as these are maybe some brands or some products that you may see in your Glam Bag Plus or your Glam Bag. So let's go ahead and start off with the Glam Bag. I believe it's around almost $16 a month now. You do get a little bag in here, and I feel like this is different, especially for November. It's definitely warm, I guess you could say, but nice, like pleather. You've got the gold accent and then the orange in the middle. Okay, first in here I see the Matte Liquid Lip by M2U NYC. So you can see the color, it's pretty dark. I'm gonna set that aside and put that in a future giveaway, which I'm not for sure which day this video, I think I'm gonna try and just get it up for y'all tonight, which will be a Thursday. So stick around, because in the next few days I will have a giveaway video going up. Okay, next in here, now keep in mind when it comes to the Glam Bag, this is typically deluxe size samples. So sometimes you do see some full size, but typically we see more deluxe size sample products. So this brand is Murad, and this is the Renewing Eye Cream. How big is this little thing? Oh my gosh, how cute. This is so cute. And honestly, it's an eye cream. You don't need a lot. So this is actually, even though it's teeny tiny itty bitty, that's actually probably gonna last you, I mean, it's filled to the brim, I'd say darn near a month. Because I only use a pea size, and then I go like this, and then I go like that. So, I don't know, maybe a little less than that if you use it 2 times a day. I tell you what, y'all, I'm not Gemini ADHD left hand turn time. I need like a theme song when that happens. But I'm telling you, like, it's funny because I talked to you all about how like I'm in a different phase of my life with all of my kids. Like growing up, I've got, you know, Haley's got her own place now, and my son's 18 and my youngest is 16. They're all driving, they're all working, they're all doing their thing. And I was talking about on my vlog channel, like I've changed my purse from like my big bucket, like huge purse to like a tiny purse. And now I feel like my skin is in a different phase of life now too. You know, like I'm sure at any point menopause is gonna start creeping up on me, or perimenopause, whatever they call it. But I'm definitely noticing it with my skin. Like my mid to late 30s, super oily skin. Then I started an anti-aging regimen, and that definitely helped control my oils. But of course the season changing kind of jacks with things too. But I know hormonal shifts are happening. Like your girl's got thyroid issues. But I've noticed like my under eyes are getting like a little drier, a little crepier. And I'm like, excuse me? So yeah, all of that to tell you all, I'm down for a really good eye cream, like all the eye creams in the world. I do gels, I do creams. I will lock that in there. Like mama's not playing around. If you guys haven't tried cream makeup yet and you have normal to dry skin, it's gonna be your best friend. I swear by the SEINT cream makeup. I love that stuff. Yeah, it's amazing. I've got, if you guys are looking for a color match, I'm not trying to sell you on nothing, but if you want a color match because your struggles as real as mine, check my description box. Okay, all of that to move on to the next one. I love this mascara. This is the Benefit Power Lifting Lengthening Mascara. It's called the Real Magnet Mascara. I actually really love this. I think I even have a dedicated video somewhere on my channel with it. And that's all you need. Actually, I think it was a freebie from Sephora with something I had purchased. I really like this stuff. This is really good. Next in here we have the Gloss Modern Clean Luxury Perfume Oil. What is up with receiving perfumes? Wow. Let's see here. Ooh. Do I want to risk it? Don't be stinky. Don't be stinky. Did you come out? Oh yeah. Smells a little bit like my husband. What is that? There is a cologne that he wears, and it's a mix of his cologne. Ooh, I got that on the tip of my nose. And a perfume that I wear. Do you know mixed together CK1? That's what it smells like. Okay, so this is what it looks like, y'all. And it literally is a unisex scent. It literally smells, like I told you all, whatever the one cologne is for that my husband wears. I can picture the bottle, but I can't picture the name of it. And I can't, it's one of my dossiers. And it's like, mix those two together and you get this. Like if those two had a baby, it would be this. Okay, so does this have the notes on here? It smells actually good. It's definitely a unisex scent. Definitely reminds me of CK1. I like it. Do you remember? If you're a 90s teen, you know what I'm talking about. Oh my gosh, you're so precious. Look at this cute little thing. Oh, it's a little Ciate London metallic eyeshadow. Where's my scissors? I have the Ofra, what is it called? Oh, that's cute. One of Ofra's eyeshadow. I have my Ofra palette on, and then their eye topper. I love the eye topper. I've got that on as the shimmer. Really pretty. Okay, so that is everything that you will potentially see in your bag. And I mean, honestly, if that was the bag and I received that, I'd be super happy with it. But don't take it to the bank, because I feel like they curate all the PR packages completely different, you know? So anyways, love this. Love this. I'm curious to see if I put it on my husband, how it'll smell on him. Okay, so ooh. Okay. Sorry guys, I'm like all over the place. I don't think that's that. I think you guys are just starting to get used to it. So this is what the bag looks like, which I just had a flashback. Did we get a bag similar to this last year? I think we may have. I don't know, but everything typically will come inside of your Glambag Plus. Now I want to say this is around a $30 bag, could be like 28, but I'm pretty sure it is closer to 30. But the first thing that caught my eye is this, a Juicy Couture Choose Juicy. What is this? Is this a Juicy Peach Magnolia? It's a fragrance? Oh, it's a soy candle? No way. Oh my gosh, that smells like a strawberry starburst. Why do I feel like I sounded really funny when I said that? A strawberry? Yeah, I did. Strawberry starburst. That smells really good. That's different, Ipsy. I wonder if that was a choice for the plus. Next in here, we have got the Ultra Repair Face Moisturizer by First Aid Beauty, y'all. I love First Aid Beauty. This is the hydrating. I already said what it was. I was reading it in a whole other language. Ding dong. Okay, anywho's, I don't think I've tried this one. I have the one in the tub, and it may be this one. Maybe they switched the component. I don't know, but I love First Aid Beauty. It really helps. I feel like when I've kind of overdone the exfoliating with my skin barrier, which always be careful with, I like it. All right, next in here, we've got the Shades of Shan, or Shades by Shan, the setting spray. I think HAILEY has this actually. So that's what it looks like. For some reason, I want to say HAILEY's received this, and I think she likes it. Next in here, we've got the Iconic London. Is this brushes? Wow, that's a little impressive. I don't think we've ever gotten something like that. So it's in like a velvet pouch. Oh yes. Okay, so we've got 4 eye brushes in here. Those are always nice to receive. And of course, I'm not for sure what would have been choices, so if you all had any of these choices, let us know down below. And next we have Pure Times Nabella Embrace Your Face Eye and Cheek Palette. Does this not look similar to my eyeshadow and blusher palette? Okay, it's a little different. Honestly, when I opened it up, I was thinking Becca and like Champagne Pop. But isn't that pretty? That's actually a really pretty palette. And it does have a mirror in here as well. Let's swatch. Ooh, that eyeshadow feels nice. So you've got 3 shimmery eyeshadows and 1 matte. And then you've got 2 highlighters and 2 blushers. Yeah, this reminds me so much of like Becca Cosmetics or a Tarte. Even, it's really pretty. Oh, the blushers are gorgeous. Okay, so that is everything swatched. This had to have been a choice for sure, right? Oh my gosh, well, I can tell you guys right now, if you chose this, you're gonna love it. You are gonna love it. So that is everything for Ipsy Glambag and Glambag Plus. If you want to sign up for Ipsy, then check my referral link down below. Again, that is not an affiliate link. Same with the Resort Panty Power. I do believe that there is a coupon code. I'll put it down there. It's, again, not an affiliate code or anything like that. So let me know y'all's thoughts on these products. I think these are some great products. For sure, like great brands. I'm really digging this. I am really digging this perfume. So anyways, friends, let me know down below your thoughts. Don't forget to check me out on my other channel, Hotmess Momma Vlogs. I just uploaded about a week ago the best Walmart haul ever, and I just placed another order with Walmart, so there will be another mid-size plus size CoverGirl fashion haul over there on my other channel, all Walmart products. Stay tuned. Go over there, check it out. I'm on TikTok and Instagram at hotmessmomma4. Shout out once again to my YouTube members. Thank you all so much for your love and support. And if you made it to the end of today's video, might as well stick around. Click that subscribe button, hit that like button, subscribe button. Yeah, turn on the notification bell. Do it all. Do it all. Okay, I'm being bossy. I'm gonna hop off now. I'm gonna go film a Shein curve haul because that's something else that I like. The shirt is from Shein. So anyways, okay, well, that is all for today's video, guys. I will catch you all in the next one. Until next time, kisses from Kentucky. Mwah. Bye. Wait, one more question. Who's putting the Christmas tree up now? I know it's like November 3rd, but just out of curiosity, I'm kind of wanting to put mine up before Thanksgiving. Will my family be down for it? Absolutely not. Anyways, if you want some weird quirkiness, you want to watch a little bit more, I'm going to play a couple videos, playlist, whatever, at the end of this video. It may be popping up right now. What you waiting for? Go ahead, click it. Okay, bye guys. Like this was meant to be. Take my hand, I feel my
this moment to stop. Time to go home. Don't want this night to end. Yeah, about time we stop pretending.